On to Newton's laws of motion and drawing free body diagrams. We'll start with Newton's first law of motion. When forces are mentioned, friction, drag, thrust, buoyant force, whatever the force is, we're talking about force. It might just be a function where F equals 1/2 alpha beta cubed. Whatever kind of nonsense you get. If it's a force situation, step 1, draw a free body diagram. Step 2, Newton's second law. The quantities we're looking for are going to be F, M, A, V, those types of things. Newton's first law tells us that when the net force equals 0, the object has a constant velocity. Might be 0. When the net torque equals 0, there is a constant angular velocity. That's when the net force equals 0 or the net torque equals 0. This is known as equilibrium. In equilibrium, it means the ups equal the downs, the lefts equal the rights. This also means that acceleration equals 0. To draw our free body diagrams, we're going to draw all forces as arrows beginning from and pointing away from the dot in the free body diagram answer booklet. And because of that grid that's going to be there, the magnitude is going to be the length. A 2-box length is greater than a 1-box length, which means if we have 2 boxes to the right and 1 box to the left, the object is accelerating to the right. If we have 2 forces in the same direction, we're going to start both of those from the dot, so they'll be side by side, not stacked on top of each other. The proportions, again, need to be correct. If you do not label every force, you will not get points. For every force, it may be helpful to write F agent on object. For example, the force of the Earth on the moon, in addition to labels. For labels, we'll get into the labels in a second, I think. You should also note the direction of the velocity. Just because our acceleration is in one direction does not mean our velocity is also in that same direction. In fact, when acceleration and velocity are in the same direction, we're speeding up. If acceleration and velocity are in opposite directions, we're slowing down. For weight, gravity points towards the center of the big object. Whether that's a planet, a star, a moon, whatever. The only acceptable labels for the weight force are F sub G, F sub W, or mg. M or G is not okay. Energies are not on a free body diagram. It seems silly that I'm reminding you of these last 2 things, but here we are in May and I'm still seeing it, so watch out.